looks like a good place to park.
Harry, get working.
Okay, I'm coming. God, jeez. Wait, hang on, I'm gonna check it.
Everybody, ice cream! Ice cream!
Ew. Skylar, my honey. Hi, I would like to order some cake. Sure thing. Who the heck are you? I'm a Shopkin. Please don't tell me you were from the Shopkin division. Yes, I was. Oh, come on. I'm gonna go. Oh, forget the cake. Okay, have a nice day. I'm sorry. Next. Hi. Oh my gosh, you're so beautiful. Oh, what you want, baby? Are you okay? Oh, wait, yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Whoa, who are you? Oh. Doesn't matter. What would you like? I would like some ice cream. Sure thing. Wait, don't please eat me. What? Wait, is this your friend? Oh yeah, they don't really like us. If I'm never related, so just eat them. Ew, I'm not gonna eat a Shopkin. I'm just gonna go. Jerry, what the heck are you doing? You're making everybody go. I don't know, they're just being stupid. They're not Shopkins, the ponies, what? Yeah. Please make some money. Hi. I would like to buy some cupcake, some meringue. Sure thing. Please don't eat me. I'm a special edition. If you eat me, my glitter will kill you. What? Yeah. I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna eat one of your friends. They're not one of our. No, bye. Wait. Man, are they from the Mean Girls crew? I think so. I think Diamond and Flowers just were. Oh my gosh, they're from the Mean Girls crew. Oh my gosh! Yeah. I think another one from the Mean Girls crew is coming. Hi. Oh my god, it's Rarity. It's Jade. Oh my god, can I get your autograph? No. Why? Well, you see, because you played Mean Girls and I watched Mean Girls. Like, you were so beautiful in it. Thanks. I guess. Just, can I have some Jello? Yep. Here you go. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I'm eating your friend. No. I'm just gonna eat your friend. It's against the law in Equestria, okay? Wait. I suck at this job so much.
What the hell, dude? You're making everyone go. I'm sorry. Hi, do you sell books?
What the hell? This is an ice cream van. My bad.
Hi, do you sell like bird or critter food? No. Wait, are you okay? Yeah.
Okay then.
Did you say cupcakes?
Yeah, we sell cupcakes.
Can I have some?
Yeah. Thanks. Oh, sorry. How much will that be? £1. $2. I'm just gonna give you £1. Hey, at least we got £1, guys. Really, Jerry? Really?
Hey, do you sell a cake? Yeah. Can I have some? Yeah. Here you go. Is this apple cake? No. Oh, come on, Hey. Wait, hang on. I'm 20% cooler. I'm 20% cooler than this ice cream van. Maybe I can't come to it. What the heck? You sell subscribers? No? Oh, because I'm not the music, I'm OP. I've got 28 subscribers. And I win like 100. Can I have some? No. Oh. Do you sell milk? Yes. I don't need it. Do you sell tiaras? No. Oh, I want to be a princess. Do you sell cupcakes? Where now? What the hell? Do you sell ice creams? Yes. Can I have one? Yes. Is this vanilla? Yes, good. That's not. I'm eating one of your friends. Ew, no, grab, now. Ew. Babies? No. Oh. Do you sell cake? Sorry, we ran out. What? No one sells